Want to build a trading bot that follows prop firm rules, protects your capital, and helps you finally pass those $100,000 challenges? In this video, I'll walk you step by step, from beginner to advanced, using ChatGPT prompts to build the perfect prop firm bot. Let's go. Prompt ChatGPT, help me set up Python to connect to MetaTrader 5 using the MetaTrader 5 library. Show me how to initialize the connection and pull basic price data. This is the first and most essential step. Before building any bot, you must connect Python to MetaTrader 5 to pull price data and send orders. This prompt teaches you how to lay the groundwork. Prompt ChatGPT, write a Python prompt to get OHLCV data, that's open, high, low, close, volume, from MetaTrader 5 for your USD on the 15-minute time frame. Trading bots need market data to make decisions. This step ensures you know how to extract candlestick data, which every strategy relies on. ChatGPT, give me a simple trading signal in Python. Buy when RSI crosses above 30, sell when RSI crosses below 70 on the 15-minute chart. A bot needs logic for when to enter trades. Starting with something simple like RSI introduces you to the idea of indicator-based automation. Okay, so here's the prompt. ChatGPT, help me write a Python function to open, buy, or sell orders on MetaTrader 5 based on my signal. Honestly, signal without execution is useless. This prompt, well, it bridges the gap between analysis and execution. And that's really a core function of any bot. Alright, next up is this prompt. ChatGPT, show me how to set fixed stop loss and take profit levels when opening trades in MetaTrader 5 using Python. Risk management starts here. Prop firms require strict stop loss and take profit rules, so your bot must include this from the start. ChatGPT, help me calculate dynamic lot size so each trade risks only 1% of a $100,000 account with a 50 pip stop loss. Prop firms fail you for a poor position sizing. This teaches you to automate proper risk per trade, something most beginners ignore. Alright, here's the prompt. ChatGPT, how can I code a daily drawdown limit where the bot stops trading if daily losses exceed 4.5% of the starting balance? Prop firm accounts have, really strict daily loss limits. This prompt is important because it protects your account by pausing the bot after hitting a red line. Next up, here's your prompt. ChatGPT, help me track total drawdown from the initial balance and stop all trading if the drawdown reaches 10%. This guards against maximum drawdown breaches, the #1 reason funded accounts get disqualified. ChatGPT, write code to ensure the bot doesn't take more than one trade per day to comply with minimum trading day requirements. Many prop firms require minimum trading days. This ensures you don't pass too fast or risk daily rule violations. Alright, let's ask ChatGPT, how can I use a news API like Forex Factory to make the bot pause trading 1 hour before and after high-impact events? News can instantly wreck even the best strategies. This prompt adds event-based risk management. And that's a key feature of pro bots. Next up, here's the prompt. ChatGPT, help me write a filter to only allow trades during London or New York sessions using Python and date time. Liquidity matters. This prompt ensures the bot only trades during high liquidity sessions for tighter spreads and better fills. ChatGPT, combine RSI, MACD, and EMA to create a multi-indicator strategy in Python for better entries. More confluence equals better entries. This prompt helps build smarter bots that don't rely on just one weak signal. Okay, ChatGPT, write trailing stop-loss logic that moves stop to break even after a 20-pip profit is reached. This ensures you lock in profits and reduce risk dynamically, just like professional traders, ChatGPT, show me how to loop the trading script to check for signals every 15 minutes using Python. So, bots need to run continuously. This prompt automates signal checking and execution at fixed intervals. ChatGPT, how can I deploy my trading bot to a Windows VPS to run 24/7 without interruptions? Running the bot on your PC is risky. This step moves your bot to the cloud so it works 24/7 reliably. Okay, ChatGPT, give me some ideas on how to create a licensing system for my trading bot, or maybe even sell it as an MT5 expert advisor. Once your bot is stable, you can monetize it by licensing or selling to other traders. ChatGPT, help me build a simple web-based dashboard to control my trading bot using Flask or Streamlit. Advanced users want visual control over their bots. This prompt lets you build a user interface for your bot. That's how you build a prop firm-friendly trading bot, step by step, using ChatGPT prompts to guide you from beginner to advanced. Want me to help you build it live or give you a ready-made template? Drop PassBot in the comments. Also, the bot script link is in the description. Like and subscribe.